under the curse. All right, YouTubes. We got a call for a Hoshizaki low production at a restaurant / bar. Let's get down there and take a look at it, see what we can come up with. We'll see how we're making out. It's Saturday afternoon, 1:48 p.m. Little Saturday action. Let's get some. Pump sounds terrible. Let's see here. All right, we got all the ice melted, pump shot for sure. And here we go. You guys ready? Evaporator separation for sure. Goner. Let's see, bad water pump and a separated evaporator on that Hoshizaki. That was a 600 pounder. That's gonna be an expensive repair. So all I can do is get a quote for them and then have them weigh the price of the repair versus a new ice maker. So the Hoshizaki evaporator separation strikes again. Man, did they have a bad run on those things, right? Unbelievable. All right, let me keep an eye out here. I got pedestrians, electric bikes, cars. What else? Man, that Hoshizaki evaporator disaster has been, you know, years and years ago they were pretty good. That's pretty sad. So if you like the videos, please like. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and stay tuned. I'll let you guys know if we're going to do a repair on this or get them a new ice maker. NorCal is out.